Today we're gonna make a holiday favorite, fun, festive reindeer chow. We're gonna get started on making our fun, festive reindeer chow. We have Chex Mix here. So we're gonna do 5 cups of Chex Mix. Perfect, we'll put that on the side. I love to make these kinds of things during the holidays. This is one of my kids' favorites that they can make themselves. So I put here our Chex Mix, and now we're gonna have our chocolate. So we have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate morsels. We're gonna do 1/4 of a cup of butter to help that melt. And we're gonna add some peanut butter. So we're gonna do 1/2 cup of peanut butter. This is an easy recipe that you can make and have the whole month of December. And you can put it in a plastic container and it's ready for the whole season. Although I don't know if this will last in my house more than a couple days. So we're gonna put this in the microwave. We're gonna microwave it in 30-second increments until it's all melted together. So you want your chocolate to be melted all the way. And then my kids love vanilla, so I'm just gonna add a little vanilla. This is optional. I'm just gonna do a teaspoon. We're gonna pour right over our Chex Mix. Take some tongs. Mix that until all of the Chex Mix is covered with the chocolate. And next we're gonna take a Ziploc bag. Ziploc bag, we're gonna put 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. We're gonna add our Chex Mix to this. Close this up and shake it with the powdered sugar. Take a bowl here. Once it's all coated with our powdered sugar so it looks pretty and snowy, I'm gonna pour that right into this bowl. Look at that. Completely covered in our powdered sugar. And now you can add any festive toppings you want. Today I have mini M&Ms and regular size M&Ms. Oh, how'd that orange get in there? Get that out. Red and green today. We're gonna do a little sprinkles. Festive sprinkles. You can add whatever you want. I'm gonna add some pretzels to this too. Give that a little toss. Some more sprinkles on top. And this is ready. Delicious and ready. Put a little more on top for that. For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store where you could purchase some of my favorite products.